Health benefits of coffee leaves. Not many people know. Welcome to Tropical Plants Garden Channel, Natural Lifestyle, Natural Remedies. This time we will review the health benefits of coffee leaves. Coffee leaves as an herbal drink may not be familiar to the public, because in general, people are more familiar with coffee bean drinks than coffee leaves. We want to show that coffee leaves also have many health benefits, which are not inferior to coffee beans. Coffee leaves contain antioxidant compounds such as flavonoids, alkaloids, saponins, caffeine, and polyphenols that are beneficial as anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer.